Hi everyone, and welcome back to Jessie Lifestyle at Home. Today we are working outside with today's sponsor, Relhost. They have sent me the retractable garden hose reel, and I'm really excited about this. Everything you need is right there in the box, aside from some power tools that you need to have on hand to install this. But first, we need to get rid of this mess over here. We are not sad to see this thing go bye-bye. It is always a sloppy mess. And we are using the template that comes right in the user manual. We are drilling right into our brick block foundation. This is seriously so simple. Once we drilled some pilot holes, it was time to assemble the brace for the unit, and we're just screwing that right on into the wall. Once the bracket is attached to the wall, you just slide the hose reel unit right on in there, and it's just that easy. Next, you can attach the hose to your spigot and you're ready to start using it. It also comes with its very own sprayer attachment, and I really like the design on this one. And once you're ready to start retracting the hose, you give it a little tug and it will easily and smoothly roll up the remaining hose in a nice, neat manner. I wanted to try out the new hose on our walkway. We recently had a bunch of snow. We actually still have snow on the ground in some areas of our yard, but I wanted to wash away all of the sod off the sidewalk. The nozzle is really nice. I like the easy on off lever. You don't have to squeeze anything, which is perfect for if you're having trouble like with your grip. And I also like how many modes the nozzle has. It has angle, shower, center, full, steam, jet, mist, cone, vertical, and flat. And it's easy to do with one hand. Like, it's such an easy hose to use. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these for yourself, definitely click the link in the description box below. And thank you so much to Relhost for sponsoring today's video and sending me their retractable garden hose reel. I am going to give this little side porch a good scrub down. It has seen better days, and this is like the main entrance that most people take to our house. So I'm just going to give it a good hose down, and then I'm going to get a scrub brush and just give it a good scrubbing as well.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning.
This was a real workout, but it feels so good. We finally have a little bit of sunshine, and I am so ready for spring, you guys. I am just ready for sunshine and nice weather. I'm saying this was nice weather, but it was barely 50 degrees outside. But compared to all of the snow we've been having lately, this felt just so amazing to get out in the fresh air. Giving this little side entrance a wash down feels so good. It's funny what a little like elbow grease, a little soap will do to just totally refresh an area.
Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're
I got this little mat from Walmart, so I just wanted to give it a good water down before putting it back up there so we can rub our feet all over it.
With us, it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
This corner back here has just looked horrible. We do intend to redo the stones here. This is like the last bit of landscaping. And this is, like I said, this is the main area that people come to my house. It just looks so sad. We still have the burgundy rocks here. And I'm trying my darnest to get this leaf blower to go, but I think it was running out of battery. I ended up having to put it on charge and move to a different task. But I really wanted to get all of these leaves out of here.
Why don't we talk about this? With us, it's all or nothing.
We got my daughter, this is my daughter's car. We got her car some window tint certificate for her birthday. So we're finally getting that done now that the snow is done, and her car is always outside. My car is in the garage. My husband's truck is in the big garage out back. So her car had, you know, like road salt on it and everything. So we just wanted to kind of give it a good scrub down before we took it to get the windows tinted.
It's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us, it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. Say it through the night, but in the morning you just leave. With us, it's all or nothing. A minute until midnight. I'm just wondering where you at.
We are so used to washing big vehicles. Like my husband has a Nissan Titan and I have an SUV, and I swear it takes so long to like clean our vehicles that we almost dread it sometimes. But this little compact car took like 8 minutes, I think it ended up being, washing it, rinsing it off, and kind of detailing the tires a little bit. It didn't take any time at all to wash this. I was a little bit jealous. I would wash it all the time if it was this easy.
Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
Okay, back to leaf blowing. We gave the blower some extra battery charge, and I am getting rid of the piles and piles of leaves that have ended up over here over the winter.
Keep dancing in the moonlight. The shadows cover up my sins.
Look how cute Malcolm is using his little leaf blower. He actually got that for a birthday gift from my husband's best friend, and it's always so cute when he wants to help out doing things.
I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling I go when I say what we had. Would you come on over?
As much as I would love to redo this whole area, it's not happening right now. But I did want to kind of like spring it up and spruce it up a little bit. So I'm just using this pot with some outdoor fake flowers because it could still snow. It could still get below freezing. So I don't want to risk anything for right now. I'm adding a little bit of some more UV protection spray to these flowers, even though they are rated for outdoor use, and I'm going to be spraying my flag with some UV protection as well because we do get a lot of sun. Now I don't know if it really conveys well on video, but we have a ton of pine chats in here, and I am just so ready to get rid of them all. And we do need to get some more mulch and kind of fill in some little areas. I don't know if our little bush that we planted in the fall made it. I think we planted it too late, and it just got so much snow this winter. So We might have to replace the tiny little bush that we planted. But yeah, I just want to get rid of all of the pine chats so that when I am ready to throw some new bags of mulch in here, it would just look a lot better. It already looks a ton more inviting than it did with all of the snow everywhere. I also wanted to work in this last little back section. It's looking really rough, and I want to go and pull all of the dead leaves and dead plants away just so it can look a little bit nicer and cleaner back here. I had already done the other sections around the deck before it snowed the last time, and this was the last little area, but it feels so good to get outside, have the sunshine on my face, I get my body moving, and just like work with my hands in the dirt. It just feels so nice to be outside. I miss summer. I'm so excited for summer. I have so many plans. That's how I like dream my winter away, is by planning activities and projects for the summer. My poor husband. But the last snowstorm ruined my canopy on my outdoor swing, and that is my bad. I should have removed it, but I didn't. So I need to order a new canopy, and then we're also going to be respray painting the canopy as well. I mean the frame, because it is looking a little dry and worse for wear. It really gets a beating out here by the sun. Our backyard gets full sun almost all day long, so it really does a number on the furniture out here. So I'm gonna have to keep up on things and maintain things, and that's why a lot of my stuff lasts forever, because I maintain it, I redo it, and I try to upcycle and reuse as much as I can, because it's expensive, especially when you have a big yard. It's expensive to furnish and landscape a big backyard, but I really, really enjoy it, and I love putting my little spin on everything. Do you guys have big plans for the summer? Travel, projects, anything really cool? You can just let me know down in the comments.
In the air, every glance ignites a fire, a secret we both share. Your vibe's electric, time's ticking. Make a decision. Baby, use your body. Communication like it's supersonic. We can keep on going till the morning.
I did use the mulch glue. I used it on the rocks last year for this little pathway, and I love it. It still lets water get through, but it just kind of keeps your rocks from like spreading everywhere. So I'm going to do another batch of that this year and spray it all over the areas that get walked on frequently.
Stay the night. You know I taste too good to go without. I'll ease your body and expand your mind. Say, are you ready or not? Oh, yeah, yeah. Let's unravel this allure, feel the tension.
And just a little bit of hard work, a little bit of elbow grease, and now it looks a million times better back here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're interested in that retractable garden hose reel by Relhost, then definitely check out the description box below and get one for yourself.